Ever wondered why certain numbers seem to follow you around, or why some numbers seem luckier than others? Welcome to the world of numerology, a belief in the mystical significance of numbers that has been prevalent in many cultures throughout history. It's a fascinating reflection of our human inclination to find patterns and meanings in the seemingly mundane. From the lucky number 7 to the dreaded 13, numerology offers a unique perspective, suggesting that numbers may hold more significance than we usually attribute to them. Numerology, in essence, is the study of the spiritual significance of numbers. Let's dive in, shall we? In the realm of numerology, every number resonates with a specific vibration or energy. Think of numbers as more than just mathematical symbols. They are, in fact, carriers of unique frequencies that can influence a person's life in profound ways. It's like each number has its own personality, its own story to tell, and its own influence to exert. Now let's talk about some of the key concepts in numerology. First up, we have life path numbers. These are derived from your birth date, and they reveal a lot about your individual life journey, your purpose, and the challenges you might face. It's like your personal roadmap, charted out in numbers. Next, we have destiny numbers. These are calculated from the numerical value of the letters in your name. Your destiny number can give you insights into the potential you were born with and the path you're meant to walk in this life. It's almost like a compass, guiding you to your true north. And then we have personality numbers. These are interesting because they shed light on how others perceive you. It's like a mirror reflecting your outward image to the world. Your personality number can reveal a lot about your social interactions and how you come across to others. But remember, it's not just about understanding these numbers. It's about interpreting their vibrations and how they interact with each other and with you. It's about finding patterns, making connections, and decoding the cosmic blueprint that is unique to you. In essence, numerology is like a fascinating puzzle. Each number is a piece of the puzzle, and when you start putting those pieces together, you begin to see a picture. A picture that is your life, your destiny, your journey. Numerology provides a fascinating framework to understand ourselves and the world around us through the lens of numbers. You might be wondering, what's the point of numerology? Why do people study it? Well, let's dive into that. Numerology is a vibrant field of study that provides an intriguing perspective into the human psyche. At its core, numerology is about understanding ourselves better. Each number from 1 to 9 has a distinctive energy that mirrors particular personality traits. By calculating our life path number, for instance, we can uncover our core character, strengths, and weaknesses. It's like having a personal blueprint, a manual for understanding who we really are. But it goes even further. Numerology can also illuminate our life purpose. We all have questions like, what am I here to do? What is my mission? Numerology offers a lens to view these profound questions, providing us with insights that can guide us towards our true calling. Additionally, numerology can help us navigate life's challenges. When we face a crossroads in life, the wisdom of numerology can offer direction. It serves as a compass, helping us make decisions that align with our life path and higher purpose. So you see, numerology isn't just a mystical concept. It's a tool for self-discovery and personal growth. It's a way for us to make sense of the world and our place in it. Through understanding the unique energy of our numbers, we can gain a deeper understanding of our life's journey. In the end, numerology is a tool, a spiritual language that helps us navigate the mysteries of existence. It's much like deciphering a cosmic code, where numbers become the keys to unlock the enigmas of life and the universe. Throughout our exploration, we have come to understand that numerology is not just about predicting the future. It's about gaining insights into our character, our purpose, and the challenges we may face. It's about recognizing that each number vibrates with its own energy, influencing our lives in ways we might not consciously recognize. Just as a painter views the world in hues and shades, a numerologist sees life in numbers. Each number holds a distinct vibration, a unique essence that contributes to the symphony of existence. Numerology is a journey, a quest for self-discovery, and a different way of perceiving the world around us. Whether you believe in the power of numbers or not, numerology invites you to view life through a different lens, offering a new way to understand the world and our place in it.